This is the BW Space Pro underwater drone. Equipped with Youcan Robot's image stabilization technology, your footage will remain smooth and stable no matter the situation. Surprisingly powerful for its small size, the BW Space Pro constantly adjusts to your commands, keeping you stable in the water and eliminating variables so you can focus on your framing. You can take it with you wherever you go. By taking our original, streamlined design and carefully tweaking it, we further improved its portability to make your life easier. Extend your creative potential with up to 5 hours of dive time and a max speed of 1.5 meters per second. Advanced automatic depth maintenance makes it easy to manage your position in the water. And for the first time in a Youcan robot drone, you now have the ability to tilt upwards and downwards up to 45 degrees and make flawless vertical movements to capture that perfect shot. Capture the beauty beneath the surface, explore without limits, and create your own out-of-this-world content with the BW Space Pro.
At Autel Robotics, we push the boundaries of modern flight, exploring the unknown with unparalleled performance. This is the Evo 2 series, ushering in a new era of aerial shooting. Evo 2, the world's first 8K foldable drone, brings you unmatched video resolution and 48 megapixel stills to capture the world with more detail than ever before. Featuring 10-bit A-log color profile, Evo 2 records up to 1 billion colors. Its stunning 4K HDR video stands out with increased dynamic range, delivering top-of-the-line image quality that you'll covet after experiencing. The powerful phase detection autofocus function and 120 FPS slow-motion video capabilities are an ideal combination for high-speed shooting. Thanks to 4 times lossless zoom and defogging mode, Evo 2 is perfect for capturing your subject from a distance without missing a single detail. If Evo 2 is all about detail, then Evo 2 Pro is all about professional users. It commands a powerful 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor and the f2.8 adjustable aperture, capturing stunning aerial photos with brilliant color and controlled lighting. With excellent low-light performance, Evo 2 Pro provides incomparable night view footage. Equipped with a FLIR camera, Evo 2 Dual provides visible and thermal imaging with remarkable performance, perfect for commercial and first responder use. Featuring Autel Robotics' latest flight control system, the Evo 2 series offers an unparalleled flight experience. So intuitive, every flight seems effortless. Our new airframe is covered with 12 optical cameras, achieving stunning omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by creating an accurate 3D map of the environment in real time with automatic intelligent path planning. Aided by a dual-core powered object detection system, Evo 2 recognizes up to 64 subjects at once, allowing for immediate pinpoint tracking. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a maximum speed of 72 kilometers per hour, and a 9-kilometer range, the sky is no longer the limit. Unmatched performance, resolution, and computer vision. The future is now the present. This is Evo 2 Series.
Adele, honey, there's a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Hey, sweetie. Meet Miko.
Hello, Miko. You can call me Ed.
Hello, Ed.
Math's tough.
Hey, what are you doing?
Can you help me with my tables?
Tables, furniture with the flat top and...
Oh no, Miko. I meant multiplication tables, like a table of 4.
Sure, 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3?
15?
7 times 5?
35.
8 times 4?
38. No, 32.
12 times 12?
144.
Good job. It's time to party.
Good dinosaur woke up in the morning.
Hey, he's not a good dinosaur.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, sweetie.
Why isn't he a good dinosaur?
Because he didn't brush his big teeth. Nighty-night.
Bye, Dad. Wow, it's a beautiful rainbow.
What are the colors of the rainbow?
Red,
Orange,
yellow,
green,
blue,
indigo.
violet.
That's absolutely right, Dad.
With conversational learning, teleconnect, privacy eye patch, and an ever-growing host of talents like games, activities, and much more. Miko 2. Open up your child's world.
Sheet store, load the roll, let it rip, rapid fire spitballs up to 50 feet. Auto hydration technology transforms TV into energized spitballs. New toilet paper blaster sheet store, toilet paper not included.